YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Netvue camera not connecting to the Wi-Fi. So guys, to fix this issue that Netvue camera not connecting to the Wi-Fi, first of all guys, verify your Wi-Fi band. So guys, Netvue camera operates strictly on 2.4 GHz network. So if you have a dual band router, so the camera might fail to connect. Okay. Second thing is guys, temporarily disable the 5 GHz bands in your router setting during the setup, or stand roughly 20 to 25 feet away from your router so the camera only detects the stronger 2.4 GHz signals. After that guys, reset the camera. A hard reset clear out the network configuration that might be causing an error. So you use a pin or paper clip to press and hold the button for 10 to 15 seconds. Then guys, wait for the device to beep or for the LED status. Flash the green and blue indicating it is set up pairing mode. After that guys, improve signal and restart hardware. So physical distance and the router congestion are common culprit for the connectivity issues. So unplug your router and your Netvue camera for 30 seconds, then plug them back in and approximately move the camera closer to the router during the initial setup process to ensure a strong signal. After that, fix 4 is troubleshoot the QR code. So guys, during setup, your phone generate a QR code that your camera scan to grab the Wi-Fi password. Ensure your camera screen is clean and turn the brightness up to the maximum and remove any glare. Hold your phone screen about 3 to 5 seconds 3 to 5 inches in the front of the camera lens and slowly moving it backward and forward until you hear a ding dong or confirmation beep. So this is the way that guys you can fix, and guys, thank you.